Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Oluwatunseyi and today we'll be diving into kids' lunch ideas and inspiration. Get ready for deliciousness. Are you weary of the daily lunchtime dilemma, pondering over what to pack for your little ones as they head off to school? Fret not, for I am here to guide you through a delightful array of kid-friendly lunch ideas thoughtfully curated to infuse both health and joy into their midday meals. Make sure hands are washed and work area or countertop clean as usual. We begin with the first meal idea for lunch. But here's a tip for your thermos before you put in the food. Always fill it up with hot water. Let it stay for a while before pouring out to allow the food flasks attain a temperature that is almost equal to that of the food. You can also do this before you start cooking or before you start the food prep. This technique makes food stay hot for longer. One more handy tip for preheating the flask is that sometimes that lunch flask holds on yesterday's deliciousness until the next morning. So after a good wash, I like to give it a cozy preheat with freshly boiled water. It's all about keeping things fresh and bacteria free. Food stays in it from morning till evening. Sometimes I don't get to wash the flask until the next morning when I'm ready to use it again. It may sound weird, but that's just the truth. And so because of some build-up of bacteria and residual smell, once I'm done washing, I like to preheat the thermos with freshly boiled water. For snacks, we have some mini donuts. For fruits, we have grapes and kiwi. Make sure to slice fruits into small bits for younger kids to avoid choking. Insert some fruit forks. We'll set this aside. Now let's remove the hot water in the flask and dish the main food. We have fried rice. That's the main food. Add grilled chicken. Embrace the opportunity to sprinkle your own creative touch, ensuring a lunchtime experience that seamlessly blends nourishment and convenience for your kids. Add some omelets for a proper balance of protein. If your fried rice has some green peas, you may not bother. Green peas are a good source of proteins. Here is what we have. Here is a thermal flask for some cold juice. This helps the juice to stay intact without getting spoiled or changing its taste. So I head over to pour some chilled, freshly squeezed orange juice in this handy thermos flask. Well, we all know it's essential to enjoy the natural fiber in whole fruits. There's something incredibly refreshing about pure homemade fruit juice. It beats the store-bought kiwi drinks any day. Why? Because some of those store-bought options are often loaded with sugars, artificial colors, preservatives, and who knows what else. Your priority is your kids' health, and you should be all about that wholesome goodness. Cheers to making that better choice. We have some room temperature water. Then we have cutlery case or holder. I don't like to give stainless steel cutlery, the ones we call the iron or metal spoon or some other ones. When it comes to providing cutlery for kids, my top pick is always plastic or silicone. Why, you ask? Well, it's all about keeping those little teeth and mouths safe and sound. For more school lunch inspiration, healthy meals, kitchen hacks and tips, hit that subscribe button now. So we have the food, the juice, the water, the fruits, snacks, and the cutlery case. Your comments with your favorite lunch ideas will light up my day, so keep the comments rolling in. Remember, lunch should be fun. Stay awesome. Keep those lunch boxes exciting. And then a beautiful Jesus Loves You sticker for the day. If you want the recipes for any of these homemade creations, the snacks, the juice, or the main food, kindly comment below. Thanks a bunch for tuning in. And I do hope your kids have a happy lunchtime at school and also a fun-filled learning time. Stay excited because there's more fantastic content coming your way in the next video. See you there. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.